So good morning everyone. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is 8 times 7 cube and cube roots. It is same as your 8 times 6 square and square root. Now who will tell me for cube and cube root, right? Same thing what we learn in square and square root, those things we are going to learn here. It is easier chapter than square and square root, and it is smaller chapter than square and square root. So first, what do you learn about square? We will revise our square and square root concepts, and those concepts we will apply here, right? So first tell me, what do you mean by square of a number? From that we will write cube of a number. Raise your hand. Who will tell me square of a number? Yes, Varsha, tell me.
So when a number is multiplied by itself.
Yes, when a number is multiplied by itself, it is called square of a number, right? And for cube of a number, what we can write? When a
When a num
yes, tell me, Varsha.
when a number is multiplied by itself two times.
Okay, 2 times for square and for square. For cube, it should be
Three
multiplied 3
times.
times. Yes, right. For cube, it should be multiplied 3 times. Okay, yes. So here, any number multiplied by itself 3 times is called cube of a number. Okay. Any number multiplied by itself is called cube of a number. Now let us take example. Suppose I am taking 2. I am multiplying 2 with 2 3 times. What should I get answer? 8, right? And it is nothing but 2 cube or not? It is equal to 2 cube. It is equal to 8. Are you getting my point, everyone? Right. Same thing with minus 2, right? If I'm taking minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2, minus 2 cube will be minus 8 or not? Okay. So what is first difference here for between square and cube? Right. What is 2 square? 2 square is 4 or not? 2 into 2, 4. Okay. What is minus 2 square? It is minus 2 into minus 2. It is also 4 or not? Tell me. 2 square is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Minus 2 square is equal to minus 2 into minus 2, 4. Right? For square, if either your number is positive or negative, your square will be always positive. But in cube, cube of positive number will give you positive. Cube of negative number will give you negative. Are you getting my point, everyone? Tell me yes. Right? Yes. Come on, unmute yourself and tell me yes. Yes or no? Everyone? Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes. Great. Fine. Now, same way, we can take another number as well. We can take fraction number. We can take decimal numbers. I'll show you all. So first, let me write a note from these positive and negative numbers. Then we can see another examples. So one note is cube of positive number will give you what? Positive. Okay. Cube of negative number will give you what?
Negative number.
Negative number.
negative,
Yes. Now square of positive number.
Positive,
Positive. Square of negative number.
positive,
Very
Positive.
good. Very good. So square will be always positive. Or let me write them combinedly. Either it is positive or negative. Square is always positive. Okay. But cube is this. Now, let us see one more thing. Now, let us see cubes of fractions and decimal. How we can find cube of fraction and decimal. Okay. Suppose I am taking any fraction, students. You tell me any example of fraction. We will try to find its cube. Tell me. Tell me any example of fraction. 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 1 half. Which fraction should I take? Tell me, students. Yes, 2 by 3, 2 by 4. 2 by 4 is half only, and 9 by 3 will give you 3 only. Okay, can I take 2 by 3? Let us take 2 by 3 and think. Okay, that's what we are getting. Okay, so let us check for 2 by 3. So if I'm taking here 2 by 3, understand this carefully. Just a minute. 2 by 3 cube will give you, how you can find this? 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 or not? Okay. And when you are multiplying any fraction number, multiplication of numerator, all numerator, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 or not? Yes. 8 by 27. Is it clear? So, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Apurva is telling that my voice is breaking. Is it so, students? Is it breaking?
No, sir.
Yes. Unmute yourself and tell me. No. Okay. So Apurva, here all the other students are telling me that it is completely fine. Just check your net connection. Okay. If it still breaks, let me know. Or you can. Okay. Yes. You can leave and join again if you are facing this issue again and again. Okay. So see here. Next example. Now let me take decimal number. Who will give me any example of decimal number? I'll find its cube. Give me any example of decimal number. 12.6, no. Take easier. Okay. 12.9, no. 0.04, no. 0.25, no. 2.1. We can take 2.1. 0.5, yes, Tejas, we can take 0.5. 0.5 will be easier. Right. Difficult questions we will take, but now since this is explanation and understanding part, so this is 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 or not? Right. But instead of multiplying 0.5, can I write 0.5 as 5 by 10 whole cube? Tell me. So it is 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10. What is 5 cube, everyone? 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5 will give you what? Tell me quickly. 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Very good. Okay. Now 10 tens are 100. 100 tens are 1000. So 125 by 1000 will give you what? 0.125. So cube of 0.5 will give you 0.125. So if in question they will give you fraction, your answer should be fraction. If they will give you decimal, convert decimal into fraction, find its cube, and again convert into decimal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? Okay. Please give me some response. It is clear? Right.
Yes.
Easy? Great. Great. Now, so you learned one more thing about perfect square. How many of you remember about perfect square? Same thing here we are right for perfect cube. Okay. Yes, cube is 3 dimension. Very good. Yes, Shivansh. Your square is 2D and cube is 3 dimension. That we will see when we will use its application. First, anyone who will tell me for perfect cube? Yes, Tejas, tell me. Tejas?
Sir,
Yes, tell me about perfect cube.
sir, perfect. We know that about perfect square is that if we multiply two numbers by itself, we get a number. That number is known as perfect square.
Very. That means a number is called perfect square if it is a square of other number, isn't it? Right. A number is called perfect square when it is a square of other number, isn't it? Tell me yes or no. Right.
Yes, sir.
In the same way, a number is called perfect cube if it is a cube of any other number. Yes or no? Tell me yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. So a natural number is called perfect cube, but it is not necessary that it is natural, right? It can be your integer as well, it can be your negative number as well. A natural number is called perfect cube if it is cube of some natural number. If it is cube of natural number, yes, it can be 0 as well. That's why I was telling that it should be integer, but no issue. They have given you this definition is in NCERT, so we will follow this only. So here, what is your perfect cube? See here, this 8 is your perfect cube or not? -8 is also perfect cube. Okay, but here we will define this only for natural numbers, right? So we cannot take 8 by 27.125. So we'll define for natural number only according to NCERT. That's it. Okay. Now let us see next. Do you know one property of square of even number? What is square of even number, students? Who will tell me? Raise your hand. Yes, Shivansh, tell me. What can you tell about even and odd number square?
Sir, the square of even number is even and the square of odd number is odd.
Yeah, yes, Nutan, you can do that. Very good. So what about odd, students? Cube of odd number will give you what? Cube of odd number will give you what? Right.
Odd.
Let's see. Yes, same. So cube of even will be also even and cube of odd will be also odd. Right?
Odd.
Yes. Yesterday only Kata student gave the cube and cube root exam in which we have asked this question. Okay. Even cube is even and odd cube is odd. Okay. I hope it is clear to you, everyone. Tell me yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Even cube is
Yes,
even and
sir.
odd cube is odd. Yes.
Sir.
So very good, students, right? Now see here, understand this carefully. So this was all about your perfect cube, right? Now, cube root we will see in next section, right? We can see in first section about cube, right? And for cube root we can see, okay. So here only, okay. So first let us see questions based on this, right? Then we can see about cube root. Cube root we will see next time. Okay, first let us see questions based on cube. But before starting questions based on cube, do you remember one thing that we have seen one table in square? We have seen two tables or not? One was about square from 1 to 10 and one was about its unit digit number. Okay. Definitely, Samar. Yes. Cubes of decimal, negative, fractional are possible. Definitely possible. In our example only we have taken. -2 cube is -8, 1/2 cube 1/8, like that. Okay. Okay. So let us see that table, students. Okay. Let me write here table. Let me insert that. Or I can write directly as well. Let us write directly. So if I'm having x, here I need to write x cube. Okay. So students, you will tell me quickly. If I'm writing 1, what is 1 cube, everyone? 1. What is 2 cube? 8.
8.
Very good. What is 3 cube?
27.
Very good. What is
27.
4 cube?
64.
64, right? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. What is 5 cube, everyone?
125.
125.
125.
Very good. What is 6 cube?
216.
216.
125.
Yes. What is 7 cube?
340.
Very good, very good. 343. Yes, students. So students are doing great. Next, what is 8 cube?
512.
512. What is 9 cube?
729.
7. Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Please give me some response.
Yes, sir.
Yes, 1 cube 1, 2 cube 8, 3 cube 27, 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125, 6 cube 216,
Yes, sir.
7 cube 343, 8 cube 512, 9 cube 729, 10 cube 1000. Okay. Now let us observe their unit digits. Where is water bottle? Okay. So let us observe unit digit and let us make one new table as well. Just a minute. If I can insert table here, then it will be good visible. Let us check. So number of columns should be 2 and number of rows should be 11. Okay. Just a minute, everyone. Just I'm arranging, right?
Okay, sir.
No problem. Let us try to write here again. So it will be in a proper sequence, right? Chances of mistakes will be less here. And then we will observe its unit digits. Now, tell me, students, right? Again. Now tell me quickly for 1, what should be our answer? Already we have done this. 1.
1.
2 cube 8.
1. 8.
3,
27.
4,
64.
5,
125.
6,
216.
7,
343.
8,
343. 5.
9,
12. 7 to 9.
Very good.
1000.
You have to remember this table, everyone, right? You have to remember this table, memorize this table because it will be very much helpful to you, right? Now, let us observe what is the
64.
unit digit. Okay.
125.
Where 125, Sanvi? 125 is there, na?
520.
What you are telling? Unit digit of x. Unit digit of x cube. Now see here, students, if you observe here unit digit, for 1 I am getting 1 only, right? See here, for 1 I am getting 1, for 4 I am getting 4, 5 I am getting 5, 6 I am getting 6, 9 I am getting 9, and 0 I am getting 0. For this number, my unit digit is this only or not? Tell me. For 1 cube it is 1, 4 cube it is 4, 5 it is 5, 6 it is 6, 9 it is 9, and 0 it is 0. Tell me yes, everyone. Please give me some response.
Yes.
1, 4, 5, 6, 3, 9, 0. Right. So if my unit digit of x is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0, right? 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. So yes, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. In the same way, unit digit of x cube, for 1 cube it is 1, 4, 4, 5 it should be 5, 6 it should be 6, 9 it should be 9, 0 it should be 0. That means as it is, whatever unit you are having unit digit is x, same unit digit you will get for x cube as it is. Please tell me yes, everyone got this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us,
Yes, sir.
yes, let us check for other.
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, yes. What is the doubt, Sanvi, here? Tell me. How many of you are having doubt in this?
Sir, can you repeat?
Can I repeat? Why not? See. मैं बस यूनिट डिजिट के बारे में बात कर रहा था स्टूडेंट्स. सी है, अगर आपका x का यूनिट डिजिट 1 है, आपको याद हो स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट में भी हमने यूनिट डिजिट देखा था. इफ यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ x इज 1, व्हाट इज यूनिट डिजिट ऑफ x क्यूब? 1 ओनली. फॉर other digits I will see, but I am showing you this digits only now. For 4 it is 4, 5 it is 5, 6 it is 6, 9 it is 9, and 0 it is 0. If unit digit of x is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or 0, you can get same unit digit of x cube. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, 0. Are you getting my point?
Sir, but there are 3 and 2 also, no, sir?
Those I will write here, na? Right. For 3 and 2, what we can do? For 2 it is 8, 3 it is 7. That I will write here. Okay. First I have written those numbers for which we are getting same answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Madhusudan, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, what is unit digit of 2 cube, right? Here, if I am having 2, so its unit digit will be 8. Okay. In the same way, for 3, and if you see its reverse, for 2 it is 8. And what is for 8? 8 it is 2 or not? 2 it is 8 and 8 it is 2. For 3 it is 7. Right. For 7 it is 3. Are you getting my point, everyone? Just understand this logic.
Yes, sir.
Right. So for 2 it is 8 and 8 it is 2. You have to just interchange them. Right. For unit digit of cube, just you need to remember this digits as separately. For 2 it should be 8, 8 it should be 2, 3 it should be 7, 7 it should be 3. For all the remaining digit, it should be as it is. Everyone got this? Tell me yes. For 2 it should be 8, 8
Yes, sir.
2, 3 it should be 7, 7 it should be 3. And if you are facing any difficulty in remembering this, right, just you can remember 2 and 3. And for 2 and 3, the remaining digit you can obtain by subtracting from 10. 10 minus 2 equal to 8. Same for 8, right?
Okay, sir.
7 equal to 3. This is just for your remembering purpose, right? Because pattern, both are adding up to 10. This is just your pattern. 10 minus 2 will give you 8. 10 minus 3 will give you 7. Right. Is it clear, everyone? Yes. Please give me some response.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Great, great. So let us start few questions based on this. Now, question number 1. In your module, you are having only one exam corner for this chapter. So question number 1, find the units digit of cube of each of the following, right? We need to find units digit of cube of following. There are 6 numbers. I'll show you for 3 numbers here. Remaining 3 numbers you can do it from home, right? So first number is 7377 cube. Second number is 6661 cube. Third number is 555 cube. Fourth number is 12232 cube. Fifth number is 8878 cube. And sixth number is 323 cube. So raise your hand, everyone. I'll give chance to each and everyone. So what is 7377 cube? Okay, Samarth, tell me, unmute. Just tell me its units digit. If it is 7, what should be there?
3.
3. Very good. Okay. So, yes, Sankiti, tell me for 1. What should be for 1?
So 1.
1, yes. So, student Sankiti is also very good dancer, right? She is having fabulous expression. Very good, Sankiti. She and her sister prepared a very good dance for Teachers' Day. So, I think you all have seen that. Sankiti, have you shown everyone?
No, sir.
Okay, okay. So, yes. Now 5 cube. Who will tell me for 5 cube, right? What should I write for 5? Yes, Rohan, tell me.
Sir, 5.
5, yes. Now, here 1, 2, 2, 3, 2 cube. Let us finish this. Who will tell me for 2? Yes, Piyush, tell me.
Sir, 8.
8. Okay. Now, next is here we are having 8. For 8, what can I take? Tell me, Gauss.
Sir, 2.
2. Yes, very good, Gauss. For 3, what can I write for 3? Ananya?
7.
7. Yes, very good, students, right? So remaining questions you can do this from home. Okay. Now your next question is you need to find cube of following numbers, right? Homework, I'll give you example of NCERT, right? Very small chapter. Solution. So first question you need to find 5 cube. Second question you need to find 9 cube. Third question you need to find 7 cube. Okay. Who will tell me for 5 cube? Raise your hand. Everyone, raise your hand. Okay. Raise your hand. Who will speak now? Let me give chance to everyone, right? Yes, Nishka, tell me for 5 cube.
1 to 5, sir.
1 to 5. Yes, very good, Nishka. Yes, Ananya. No, Ananya has already spoke. No, let me give chance to the other students. Raise your hand, everyone. Yes, Nikila. Nikila, can you tell me for 7 cube?
Yes, sir. 729.
729. Are you sure? What is 9 cube then?
Sir, I will.
Just check. 9 cube is 729, isn't it, Nikila? Nikila, can you hear me? Nikila, can you unmute yourself? You are muted. Nikila. I think she is not there in the meeting. Right. I think she is facing network issues. Oh, there. Nikila, can you unmute yourself? Nikila? Okay, no issue. Okay, now let us give chance to Madhusudan. Madhusudan, tell me 7 cube.
Sir, 343.
343, right. Yes, so very good, everyone. This was all about this. Okay. So, is it clear? Please give me some response, everyone. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similar question, can you do it from NCERT or not? Okay. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Right. Now, let me give you a few more questions. Then remaining question you can do from NCERT. Question number 3. So I'll take your, it is time, right? It is 9, but I'll take your 5 minutes more. Can I take that? Tell me. Your school is having,
Yes, sir.
right, at 9:30, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So observe this pattern, students. Right. What is the pattern here? 1 is equal to 1 cube. They have given you one pattern. 1 is equal to 1 cube. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 is equal to 2 cube. 7 plus 9 plus 11 is equal to 27 is equal to 3 cube. Then express the following as consecutive odd numbers. From this pattern, you need to answer 4 cube, 5 cube, and 6 cube. All right. Kahoot we are playing once in a week, right? Already I have told you, na? Kahoot we are playing once in a week, na? Are you getting my point? In revision, we will play so many Kahoots. Okay, in revision we'll play, but as of now, we are playing Kahoot once in a week, every Friday. Okay, so see here. Now, who will tell me for 4 cube, right? Just understand here. 1, after this 1, we have written 3, 5, right? Right, after 1, next consecutive odd is 3, and we have written 2 times, means 2 consecutive odd numbers. After 5, it is 7, so I have written 3, 7, 9, 11. After 11, I should start with 13 or not? Tell me. And how many consecutive I will write here? Raise your hand. How many consecutive numbers I will write here? Who will tell me? Yes, Sanketi, tell me.
So 4.
4. And can you tell me those 4 numbers?
So 13, 15, 17, 19.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Sanketi. Right. Tejas, can you tell me for 5 cube?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
21,
After 19, yes. 21. Then
23,
33,
23,
23,
25,
25,
27,
27,
29,
29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or not? If you will add, what you will get? 125. Right. Who will tell me next?
Sir, can I tell?
Let me give chance to everyone. I think who asked me? Sanvi? Apurva.
Yes, sir.
Apurva has not got chance till now. Apurva, can you tell me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me for 6 cube.
Sir, 31,
31, then
33,
33, then
35,
35, then
37, 39,
then
then 41.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What you will get? 216, right? 6 cube is 216 or not? No need to add, you will get that
Yes,
only.
sir.
Right, yes. So here, now similarly, they have given you one more pattern in question number 4 that I am giving you from homework. In the same way, question number 5 I am giving you from homework. In question number 5, you need to identify that which of the following are perfect cube or not. Okay. So this is it for today's class. Right. Thank you, everyone. Let me take your attendance. First, let me take your